Hello guys, it's been quite a long time since I've uploaded on this channel, and today I have a big announcement. As you can see, I'm on a Mac right now recording this screencast. And the reason being is because I recently moved or switched to Mac, and I will be using this Mac as a daily driver. Now, I normally do tutorials and videos that are related to Windows, but as I'm not using a Mac, I'll be making videos about Mac OS, Apple related stuff. And I'm decided to create another channel called ThatMacCat. Don't judge me by the name I'm mentioning in the future because it's so silly. But on that channel, I'll be uploading these lovely Mac OS videos and also things that are related to Apple and Apple stuff. And of course, I'll still be uploading videos on my main channel, how to set up about Windows videos, but this will be a big announcement for this YouTube channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to check out my new ThatMacCat channel and also subscribe to that channel as well, plus subscribing on my channel if you haven't already yet. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Mine has been that how to set up here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.